Hello, hi, welcome. I'm Spino, and today we're gonna be doing my makeup. So I usually start off my makeup by moisturizing, washing my face, so I've already done that. And after that, I'm gonna be using Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Now after I do that, I go in with the primer, and I usually use the professional primer, but today I'm gonna be trying the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. So I'm just gonna put that on. So I'm just gonna warm this up with my fingers, and then I'm just gonna apply this on my face. So I'm using this actually. So for foundation, I use both Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and then the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. So I usually just mix them and put it on the back of my hand and then go in with the damp beauty blender. Oh, that's sad, bro. As you can tell, I use a lot of foundation in my days. What the heck? So I use the back of my beauty blender and I just dip and then I swipe it on to apply. And then I pounce and buff it out. So I'm just gonna do that now. So next I will be going in with Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in shade Light, because I'm crusty, just kidding. So next, I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I will be baking my face. I love to bake.
Strudel scones, even apple pandowdy. Someday, I hope to make the perfect creme brulee.
Alright, so I'm gonna bake my face until my face is Sahara Desert dry, and there's a drought, and it's begging for moisture. So we're gonna keep this and go on with the regularly scheduled program. So now I'll be going in with my very loved Anastasia Contour Kit.
Oh my God!
In the shade light to medium, and I'll just be tapping into this shade and this shade right here. I'm just gonna take this on an angled Morphe brush. I got this in a set, so I don't actually know what number it is. Sorry about it. So when I contour on my face, I like to follow the lines of my actual points where it's deeper or lower, and then I just put some on and then I blend upwards. And then I take kind of like a buffered angle brush and then I buff that in and upwards so I get lifted cheekbones instead of droopy cheekbones. So since I have a 3-head and not a 4-head, I don't usually contour up there because I don't want my forehead to be looking any smaller than it actually is. So I don't contour up there at all. Moving on. So after I bronze and contour, I go in with a small fluffy brush and I wipe off my bake. So now I'm going to contour my nose with the same contour kit, and I'm just going to use this color right here, and I take that on a Morphe blending brush. I think it just works better for me. And I don't want to do it too sharp of a nose contour because I don't think I need it, so I just kind of follow the original lines. Now I will be going in with my Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And I will be taking shades Summer and Moonstone and mixing them together, which is Summer and Moonstone. I take this on a small blending brush and I just dip in. Usually I'll spray setting spray before I do the highlighter, but I'm not really going for that intense of a look today. So we'll just do a light amount. Next, I will be going in with the Dandelion brush from Benefit, and I have the travel size because I recently went on vacation. So I'm just gonna do just a little bit on the apple of my cheeks. I don't really like strong blush. It does add color so you don't look washed out, but I'm just not a blush person. Alright. And that is my face. I'm just gonna finish it off with some more Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Next, I will be moving on to my eyes, and today I will be using the very beautiful Morphe 35B palette, and just, come on, that's so pretty. So I don't really know what look I'm gonna go for right now, but it's just, I love it. So I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape on top of my eyelid, and I'm gonna be using that as the base. So I'm priming my eyes with that, and I'm not gonna set it unlike the under eyes. So I'm dipping into kind of a forest green. I'm gonna be just applying that to my outer corner of my eye. I'm just gonna be packing on the colors with a big fluffy blending brush. And then I'm gonna do the same on the inner eye. And then I'm gonna be taking another blending brush and I'm gonna be buffing and blending. Adding more and then blending again. When I blend, I like to use circular motions, going from windshield wiper, just going back and forth, doing circular motions in the outer corner. I'm going to be cutting my crease today with a synthetic brush from Morphe, and then I'm going to be putting the Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand, and I will be following the outline of my eye socket, I guess. I'm going to be following the line of the crease. Now I'm gonna bond the line between the concealer and the green, so I'm just gonna go over it just a bit. And I will be putting a lime green color on top of my lid, and I'm just gonna be packing that on. I'm not gonna pack it on so it's entirely green, I just want some of the pigment there. So now I will be taking my Stila Eye Glitter in the color Perlina, and I will be taking a liner brush. I'll be dipping the liner brush into the liquid. All right, now I'll be applying just a bit of black liner on the top of my eye. And now I will be using a pencil eyeliner, and I will be just going along my waterline, and I will be tightlining. After that, I'm just going to be blending some of that forest green that we used earlier under my eye. So this eye is complete besides lashes, and I will be doing this one off camera, and then I'll come back and I'll apply lashes, and then we'll be done. Okay, so now I'm done with both eyes, and now I just need to apply my lashes. So I already measured them. These little guys I'm gonna be using today. I already cut them and measured them to where I needed them, so I'm just gonna apply the glue and then apply them. So. Alright, so I applied my lashes, mascara, and I did my brows off camera. And for the last step, we're going to be going in once again with my Urban Decay spray. And we are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. And I love the look that I did. I think it's something new and different. So, hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, peace out. Very, very loved Anastasia contour kit in the shade on my Morphe brush.